The weekend's done and Monday comes, all the world is bitching. You're dreading now to figure out what's doing in the kitchen. So set your clock each weekday night, cause we go live at 6 with recipes to warm your heart or just to lick your lips. We gotta please the guinea pig, not your cousin Vinny. On weekday nights we're doing it live, cooking with the skinny guinea. We're doing it live.
Cooking with the skinny guinea.
We're doing it live.
Cooking with the skinny guinea.
Yeah, finish it fast, even in the kitchen.
Okay, everybody, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we do quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. Tonight, we are doing seasoned pork chops with some roasted potatoes and a side of green beans. So we got a little bit of everything going on. As always, I'm right in the thick of things, just, going nuts. I got some pork chops on the stove right now. I got another batch that I'm going to cook with you guys, season and cook with you guys, and I'm about to throw my potatoes in. So let me tell you what I got going on here, okay? So I got my pork chops, okay? These are nice 4-ounce pork chops. I'm doing 1.5 pounds tonight, okay? And I got my seasoning for them. I got my potatoes, about 2 pounds. It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be more than enough. You're ready? Okay. Yeah, we got a lot going on here. My daughter's in a bathing suit because she just got nominated for the what? What's it called? What challenge?
Toilet paper challenge.
The toilet paper challenge? You have to dump a bucket of water on your head?
Yeah.
Freezing water.
So that's why there's a blue bucket in the background. It's like things are happening here, like always. A little bit of olive oil for the potatoes, salt and pepper, and I got my green beans. Hold on one second. Hold that thought. I'm going to take these pork chops.
I'm entertaining you.
So guys, we're gonna get right into it, okay? So I gotta get these potatoes in the oven. So here's what we're gonna do, okay? So I got these diced up nice and small. I'm using red potatoes. You could use Yukon, whatever you want. Gonna do a little bit of olive oil, not too much. I don't wanna, completely soak these things. I'm gonna do salt.
I can't do this without my sister.
A little more salt. She likes some salty. Pepper.
I can't do this without Kylie.
I think you'll be fine.
Because I need a hug someone. Can you do it with me?
Absolutely not.
Yeah, this is listen.
Can you do it?
Hug
Real life.
one of your babies.
Rosemary. Okay, cut up a little bit. Gonna sprinkle that on here. All right, now I'm gonna mix these up. Okay, and again, I don't want to totally, saturate these potatoes, just enough so that they're, fully covered. Baking dish. Okay, I'm gonna go get some garlic powder. Hold on one second. See, we're on the fly here. You know what I mean? Like there's no rules here. We can do whatever we want. All right. So in the recipe, I didn't call for the garlic powder, but you know what? Tonight, I feel like throwing in some garlic powder, and we're gonna throw these right in the oven. Okay, and now I'm convection baking these at 400. If you don't have a convection oven or you don't want to use a convection oven, 425. Alexa, 20-minute timer. We're gonna check those after 20 minutes and we'll see where we're at. All right, and now we're gonna do the pork chops. So if it's your first time hopping on, guys, again, welcome. I'm gonna salt and pepper my pork chops while I'm talking. So at the end of the meal, I feed the guinea pig a little portion of the meal, and she rates it. She either gives me 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, 2 thumbs down. So we're gonna see how the pork chops turn out. Now, pork chops taste good. I face a little bit of a hurdle, and the little hurdle I face is that she's not huge on pork chops. But these are really tender, and they're really good, and I season them really nice. So we'll see what happens. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. So I got this plate that I seasoned the first batch on. Is a little bit there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on the plate. Okay, I already seasoned one side with salt and pepper. All right, and then I'm going to take this spice blend and I'm just going to sprinkle it over. I'm just going to rub this in, sort of get all that nice flavor into the pork. Flip them over. Season it the other side a little bit, not too much now because I already seasoned the first side pretty heavy. And And these are nice. And they get nice and crispy, so the flour will, you know, go ahead and crisp them up really nice. Hold on, I got you. Oh my gosh, follow me. So I'm gonna put my pork chops in here. Again, I already did a little bit of a batch. And we're also gonna do a little bit of a sauce, because if she has pork chops without sauce, I'm definitely getting like a thumb down. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more olive oil in here. I got my olive oil heating up for my green beans. This is on low right now. Those will take about 7 minutes or so. But when I put my pork chops in, I'm gonna jack up the heat a little bit for the green beans. We'll season those up. We'll be good to go, all right? This is ready. So my pork chops are going in.
Never do that. Never do that. Never do that.
Yeah, these get like a nice, she's gonna like this. She's gonna really like this because the pork chops are really tender and they're gonna have like a nice crispy, you know, coat to them. And then with the sauce that I'm gonna make too, it's gonna be lights out. Okay, I'm giving these a flip. Okay, I'm just gonna throw some garlic in here. Let's season these with salt and pepper. Dog is like scratching to get in. Real life, guys, real life. They're gonna sit for 5 minutes and they're gonna cook a little bit more. Good to go. All right, so here's what we're gonna do now. We'll throw the chicken broth. Okay, so I got that. I'm gonna throw some butter in. That works for me. All right, we're gonna open up Mommy's Night Out. Throw a little bit of white wine in here. Half a cup. How much wine do you want? Whatever floats your boat. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna deglaze this pan, right? So you're gonna, and all that means is you're gonna scrape up all those nice juicy bits here. So I got some thyme here that I just took off the stems and everything. So I'm gonna drop some thyme in here. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Okay, those potatoes look pretty good. Okay, so this is boiling nice. I'm gonna reduce this to simmer. It's an interesting smell because all of that seasoning that I had on there, right? It's really nice. This is like really nice. I'll show you guys the sauce. It's like a brown, like gravy. Just simmering away, nice. Show you my pork chops. Nice and crispy. Michelle, you ready to eat? All right, let's go. Let's do this. Oh yeah, perfect. 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 Nice and brown. You can smell the rosemary. Nice. Ooh, I'm excited. Pour the sauce back into my, it's nice, thickened up a little bit, just enough. Looks awesome, it smells awesome. I think I got a shot here. I'm not gonna lie. I think I got a shot. Tough to see there, right? But Guinea pig! Let's do this! These are good. Taking these off. Let me make sure I get you one that's really, oh, I know which one. I know which one. You're done. I don't want any more of those. That's not the one. Get out of here. Stop. This is the one for you. Okay, follow me, guys. Let's see what we got. I feel okay about this. Not terrible. She's not a pork chop fan, but you know what? I am.
Yeah, I got my shades on.
The finishing touch. She probably didn't even know about this. Oh man, you're going down.
It's like a sardine in there?
There's no sardines in my
Smells like a little
time.
fish.
There's no fish in the pork chop. There's no fish in the
Maybe
pork
it
chop.
was a special sauce.
Going for the deuce. For the deuce. For the deuce.
job. Moist, not dry.
Do you want a glass of this? Mommy's night out?
Sure.
Will you drink it or are we wasting it? Because I'll cook with it.
No, just put a little bit. What do you know about how I like potatoes?
You like your potatoes crispy.
The pork chops are good. The beans are good. The potatoes are okay. I like the smaller ones. They're a little crunchy.
How's the sauce?
Sauce is good.
Oh yeah, baby, you know it! All right, and that is it, guys. Tomorrow, I am making, what am I making tomorrow? Spaghetti and...
Excuse me.
Bless you. So we'll see you then. Cook it with the skinny guinea. Finish it fast. Even in the kitchen. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a safe night. See you tomorrow night. Bye-bye.